Hello everyone, welcome to my video assignment about my opinion about smoking on campus and presentation on adverb of frequency. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Naurah Aprilia and I'm first semester student at Bina Sarana Informatika University, majoring in Informatika System, class 1B. First, my opinion about smoking on campus. In my opinion, smoking on campus is not a good thing because campus is a place of learning that should protect and support the physical and mental development student. Meanwhile, cigarette smoke has a very bad impact not only for active smokers but also for passive smokers. They have to force themselves to inhale cigarette smoke that they themselves do not even do. Campus that have strict rules regarding the prohibition of smoking in campus area are very good and with regulation, because that regulation have a good purpose, namely to maintain and create a more comfortable and safe learning environment for everyone. The nation's future generation must learn comfortably and safely, free from factors that could impact their future health. Quitting and avoiding smoking is the first step towards better health and better life, because building a nation requires not only a smart mind but also a healthy body. And the second about presentation on adverb of frequency. First, definition. Adverb of frequency are adverbs of frequency that are used to show how often an activity or event occurs. Next, function. Adverb of frequency usefulness to answer the question, how often? This adverb is also often used in sentences to provide further information about the frequency of an action. Next, types of adverb of frequency. There are two types. First, definite adverb of frequency, and the second, indefinite adverb of frequency. Let's explain the frequency of definite adverb first. This shows a clear and definite frequency, usually stated with a specific number and time. It is used to answer the question how often with a number. Example, every day, I run every morning. Once a week, I attend offline class once a week. Once a month, I eat noodles once a month. Once a year, I meet my mother once a year. And the second, indefinite adverb of frequency. This shows the general frequency without specifying an exact number. Example, always, I always wake up early. Usually, I usually sit alone. Often, I often come to the cake shop. Never, I never had a boyfriend. Next, the formula of adverb of frequency. There are 5 formula. Let me explain them one by one. First, adverb of frequency for verbal sentences. In sentences that have verbs, adverb of frequency are placed before the main verb. Subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb. Example, I often wake up early. He always waiting me, and she always eat breakfast. Second, adverb of frequency in nominal sentences. Nominal sentences are sentences that use to be, am, is, are, was, were. In this pattern, an adverb of frequency is placed after to be to indicate the frequency of the subject, condition, or state. subject plus to be plus verb. Example, she is always late. I'm usually sit alone. They are invite me to play. Third, adverb of frequency for emphasis. For emphasis, adverb of frequency can be placed at the beginning of a sentence before the subject to highlight how often someone performs an action. Adverb of frequency plus subject plus verb plus predicate. Example, always Annie comes to the office early in the morning. Fourth, adverb of frequency in interrogative sentences. To make an interrogative sentence, you usually use how often, followed by an auxiliary verb. Do, does, did. A subject and a main verb. Auxiliary verb plus subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb plus predicate plus question mark. Example, how often do you visit the flower garden? And 5. Last formula. Adverb of frequency with modal verbs and auxiliary verb. When using modal verbs, can, could, will, would, should, must, or auxiliary verb have, has, I'm, is, are, was, were. Adverb of frequency are placed after the modal and before the main verb to indicate the frequency of the action. Subject plus modal verb plus adverb of frequency plus main verb. Example, he can always find a solution to the problem. Okay, in the next slide, we explain the frequency graph. Never, not at all, rarely, almost never, sometimes, half of the time, often, not all the time, usually, can be done or not, always, all the time. The next slide discusses common mistakes. Many people say, I often wake up early. No, that's wrong. In reality, I often wake up early. Then there's, she always eat breakfast. No, that's wrong. In reality, I always eat breakfast. Don't misplace the adverb friends. Okay, that's all for presentation about adverb of frequency. Thank you for attention. I hope this assignment makes me understand about adverb of frequency and get used to saying sentences in English. That's all for my video assignment about my opinion about smoking on campus and presentation on adverb of frequency. I hope this assignment can help me get the best grade. Thank you for watching. See you in the next project.